This is TWiT.
All right, let's play. It's time to play with the Impossible Ball. This is a. They come in two colors. This is the purple one. There's also a green one. Apple has an exclusive on this. By the way, this is inflated. It even has a hole for a pin. So it's just like any game ball. Well, not exactly, because it also has holes on the other side that you charge it. And this is the interesting thing. This is the charging device. It has two AA batteries in it, and it will charge the ball all the way up to 100% in 20 seconds. And that tells me it's a supercapacitor in here and that they are driving it very quickly. They say you can play with this ball for 2 hours on a 20-second charge. I've paired it to my iPad here. Okay, let's go. And you can...
Game ball Leo connected.
Oh, I named it Leo, so I know it's already connected. And we can play some games. You want to play a game with me?
Let's do it.
Shall we play a game? All right, there are a lot of different games. Impossible Showdown. It has games for head-to-head play. Group Game Ball Fun. Divide into two teams and play silly challenges with your friends. Well, there's only two of us. Do you want to... Shall we try it?
Sure.
Okay, I have one ball.
Divide into two teams.
Okay, you're on one team.
All right.
I'm on another team.
Teams take turns spinning the game ball to select a random challenge.
Okay.
The first team to win 5 challenges takes the game.
Okay. All right.
Red team spin the game ball to start the wheel and pick a random challenge.
You're going to be the red team, so go ahead, spin the wheel. And see, notice it's got an accelerometer in it. Overhead tossing
Price is Right thing going on here.
is the game, yes.
Stand back to back with a partner.
I'll pretend.
All right,
okay.
all right.
Okay.
Toss the ball overhead and have your partner catch it.
Oh,
Okay, ready?
Hold on, I got to... Here. Oh.
The most catches in 30 seconds wins.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready.
Red team's turn to play. Red team, take the ball and shake to confirm that you are ready. 10, 9, 8, 7.
I wish I had a
6,
real human voice
5,
instead of Siri,
4,
but I guess that's...
3, 2.
Okay,
1,
now I have to catch it.
Go.
Wait, oh, I caught it. Oh, this is party fun. Oh, it knows you dropped it. That's pretty impressive. Whoa. Thank you, Emily. All right. Okay, we did it 6 times, and you get the idea. Oh, all right.
Oh, you just go like this.
Let's just stop. Okay, so that's one game. There's
I
exploratory science, too. And by the way, you get daily missions.
Earn extra airtime with daily missions.
Oh.
Check daily for the newest one.
Do you want to do a mission?
Sure.
When you complete them, your airtime grows.
We get more airtime. Don't know what that means. 25 airtime, no streak bonus. Get to level 3 airtime. Total completed 1 mission. I guess we've already done a mission. We did it without knowing it. Let's do some of the other things we have here. That was party time. I'm going to go back home. All games. There is a science. You want to do sport lab?
Sure.
All right.
Toss your game ball to see key metrics.
So this is kind of fun. We did this earlier. I'll skip.
Select the metric you want to hear.
So this is the metrics. You can measure
4 miles per hour.
speed,
3,
RPM, airtime,
7,
height, or catch force.
13.
Let's try
14.
height. See how high you can throw.
Height.
It's hard. We have a
8.3 feet.
very nice, Alex. You want to try spin? Whoa,
1.7.
Oh, I don't know.
that was a little one. Let's try spin.
Spin.
Alex is the master of this.
Toss it higher. 673 rotations per 812. 694. 864. 816.
Would you? Okay, 816 is the one to
Yeah.
beat here.
864.
864. 95.
Toss it higher. 252. 817.
Whoa!
Toss it higher.
A good cautionary tale.
595.
Oh, it's.
1,100.
Whoa! Oh, that's because I tossed it a distance, though.
873.
Oh, sorry.
Toss it higher. 1,396. 753.
All right, you get the idea. By the way, it didn't hurt when it hit me. It's a fairly soft ball. It's fairly compact. There seem to be a lot of different things you can play here. Let me give you some stats before we go on. It's Bluetooth. That's how it pairs. Bluetooth 4, and somehow it just saw it immediately. Email is not configured. I guess I was trying to email the results to my mom. Mom, you'll never guess what Alex and I did today.
We threw the ball.
You use AA batteries, the game ball capacitor, up to 2 hours, 200 recharges from a single set of AA's. That's pretty good. Charge time's 20 seconds, standby time 6 hours. It's, I don't know how you describe the size of that. It's like a softball.
It's a little bit bigger than a softball.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that they made it slightly different than everything else, so it doesn't get like
used as a softball because it would probably break it if you hit it really hard with a bat.
Though I do want one that's like a baseball size. That'd be fun. That's true. Like a baseball one. Well, even not. Yeah, the problem is you'd hit it.
You want to play a water balloon toss game? Imagine your game ball is a water balloon. See how far you can toss it, but you must catch it softly.
Ah.
Okay. Each toss has to be longer than the one before. Yeah. Yeah, it's like throwing eggs.
Toss the game ball and catch it softly.
All right. Ready? Okay.
630 milliseconds. 649. You need to toss it farther. Your total score is 1,279 milliseconds.
Okay, that's our high score. Let's do it again.
That's a new high score.
Here we go. Start close.
Okay.
472 milliseconds. 590. 767. 886. You need to toss it farther.
We got to do it higher.
Your total score is 2,717 milliseconds.
Now, what do you think?
That's a
you
new
have
high
kids
score.
that are the target for this.
I can see them playing it. I don't know. I have a hard time. I can see them playing it for an afternoon and think it's really cool, and then taking it out every time their friends showed up. Like, hey, look at the ball I got. Pull up the iPad and do the thing.
It's the same market that played the Merlin games. Remember with Simon with the electronic thing, or remember the Bop It? You probably don't remember this. This was big when my kids were young, where it would tell you to do something, you'd spin it, bop it.
Remember you had what was it? Surgery. What was it called?
Yeah, Operation.
Operation. Yeah. So in the grand scheme of there are many games we can play on a Saturday afternoon with our friends. This would fit well into that.
I'll take it home and see if Michael and his friends. My fear is that after about the age of 12, they're going to destroy it.
Yes.
They're going to see if we can break this thing. Yes. And I don't know how tough it is. It is expensive. That's the other negative. And it requires an iPhone or an iPad to play a game. And that's kind of silly that you have to have.
A lot of kids have them.
But a lot of kids have them. There's some fun things you can do with it. We didn't even come close to touching all the games. There's Skyscraper, Toss High, and Beat the Clock. There's the Hot Tater. You want to play a Hot Potatoes? We'll do one more game. Don't get caught holding the ball when the game randomly ends. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we don't want to... Whoa, hot potato, hot potato. Oh!
You're out. Toss the game ball
I don't know who's out.
the next round.
It was in the air when it exploded. Okay.
You're out. Toss the game ball to start the next round.
This is kind of fun. I could see. Oh!
Toss the game ball to start.
I can see how that'd be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I have to say, I kind of like it. $100 really is a stopping point. On the other hand, if you've got $100 to blow, or maybe you're just trying to get some, like a birthday party. It'd be fun to have this for a birthday party, right? Just some fun activities. I love the way you charge this thing with this kind of clever, because then you don't have to have a USB port on the ball. I was worried about that.
Right.
These charging pins really are small and don't get in the way at all. This device, you have to keep it. If you lose it, the ball's...
And I would like to see my kids play this more than Roblox.
Right. Yeah, there you go. The Impossible Gameball.